Hello friends, in this video I am talking to my students of CH Edgemakers for CAT 21 and CAT 22. It is the impact of this pandemic and the lockdown that has created troubles, and I would now say apparent troubles for many of us. I can understand a lot of you feel disturbed because somebody very close to you is affected, probably deeply affected by COVID. Right? However, keep a few things in your mind, my dear friends. At the end of November this year, when CAT will be done, and in December when results will be out, it wouldn't matter how much COVID disturbed you. What will matter is how much did you allow yourself to get disturbed by whatever is happening around you. I may sound harsh, but then that's the reality. Remember my dear friends, हम जितनी भी तकलीफ़ों के दौर से गुज़र रहे हैं, उन सब में हमें ये नहीं भूलना है कि हमें कैट भी देना है। और सिवाय वो इमरजेंसीज जो हमारा ध्यान, हमारा एफर्ट, हमारा टाइम डिमांड कर रही हैं, उनके अलावा अगर हम इन जनरल अपने आप को कॉलेज कोचिंग से दूर घर में बैठ कर के पढ़ने में असमर्थ पाते हैं, तो मान के चलिए कि दिसंबर 2021 में ये सिर्फ एक बहाना ही साबित होगा। The situations were same, exactly the same last year. In fact, worse I would say, because last year it was shockingly, the COVID has shockingly arrived. This year, we are more mature, maybe more wise to handle whatever is going on with us. Remember, आपके वो सीनियर्स जो CAT 20 दे रहे थे, वो लोग बड़ी अनसर्टन स्थिति में ऑनलाइन रह करके घरों से अपनी पढ़ाई कर रहे थे। आप लोगों को घर से पढ़ाई करने का एक्सपीरियंस 1 साल का है, उन लोगों को 0 years का था। And that is where you have to create a difference. Last year CAT also saw toppers. There were people who got 100 percentile. The students of CH Edgemakers who got calls with best of the scores from top IIMs. So ऐसा नहीं है कि पढ़ाई नहीं होती है ऑनलाइन में। ऑनलाइन में पढ़ाई करने के, I mean, if you just look at it differently, you could actually do wonders sitting at home. Imagine how much time you are saving from your college days. Most of you in your graduation, pre-final year, you already received a kind of a general promotion. So there is no immediate college exam bothering you. I say give 2 months, next 2 months, the entire May and entire June, dedicatedly. वो कहते हैं ना, पागलों की तरह कैट की तैयारी में लगा दो. Most of you have come into the next module, the Accelerate module, which is all about practice, practicing systematically, topic by topic. And you can do that. You don't require to come to a coaching class room physically to do your practice. All your faculty members, right? All your classes online. are almost like a classroom. The replica of a classroom. It's just that you don't come and sit in the classroom. All your faculty are available to you. There are more doubt solving sessions happening online than we used to have it in offline. There is more regularity possible because you are at home. You have no reason to miss a class. Come forward, right? I must say I get pissed off, and all of us as your faculty get pissed off when we hear lousy excuses. सर ऑनलाइन में मूड नहीं बन पाता है पढ़ाई का. Come on, we're not into a leisure activity, my dear friend. That मूड नहीं बन पाता है. You're aiming for CAT. 2.5 लाख लोगों का कंपटीशन है एंड आईएम्स की 4,000 सीट्स के लिए. And you want to get into best of the mood to do it? There will be problems. There will be mood का problem. There would be connection का problem. There could be घर में एक separate corner नहीं मिल पाता है का problem. But remember, ये सब, I repeat, in the end of December, ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ बहाने साबित होंगे because it is a level playing field. जो हालात आपकी है उस हालातों में आप अकेले नहीं हैं. Everybody who is going to be your competition for CAT is going through exactly the same problems. And hence it's a level playing field as far as the troubles and issues are standing in front of you. Whoever does the best in the given circumstances, be these good circumstances, bad or ugly, the one who does the best in this given scenario will have a CAT call next year in his hand. I leave it to you. I trust you for having enough courage, maturity and wisdom to overcome these chote problems that trouble you. Get over these, give it your best, and remember, the entire faculty team is with you. Give us a message, give us a call. We are there with you. We'll help you maneuver through all that you require to do well in CAT. All we require is a dedicated you. All the best, my dear friends.